Okay, we're back again. As I told you guys, we're doing the series right now of smartphone flagship devices that were really expensive back then, but now they are quite affordable. And I've not given you something in a while. I told you guys I've been busy, but whenever I have time, I have to produce content for you guys because you guys get my channel going. So keep liking, keep subscribing. So what do we have here today? We have the iPhone SE. This was released 2016, and it comes in the iPhone 5 body or the iPhone 6s internals. So we have 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of memory on this particular one I have here, and the 4 inches screen. So we're going to dive in and see what's in the box, and not really a review because it's basically the same review you get for any other iPhone which is already online. So we just want to see how this phone performs in comparison with newer flagship devices and how it feels in the hand even as of today. So let's get into the box. Okay, so first we have the phone, so let's put it aside. Let's check out what we have in here. Okay, we have some leaflets here. Okay, that's the SIM ejector tool. And we come in here, we have wow, I love this, the Apple stickers and some welcome note, iPhone SE, iPhone SE, iPhone SE. But let's put this aside. Then here we have the lightning connector, which is a lightning connector to a normal USB port. Then we have our charging brick here, which is a 1 ampere charging brick. Here, not a fast charger. Apple has not yet shipped an iPhone that comes with a fast charger, so this is still current for what you get today. Then we also have our 3.5mm headphone jack ear buds, and this was a classic back then. Everybody wanted a pair of these, but now we no longer have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and I think this was the last phone Apple produced that had the 3.5mm headphone jack, because after this the next phone that came out was the iPhone 7, which did away with the 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's push all this aside and let's come to our main attraction. So let me take off the wrappers. Wow, this feels good in the hand. Wow, quite good. And we have these edges which Apple has actually brought back with the newer iPads. This was one of their most iconic designs ever created. So it's a 4-inch screen, quite portable, and on the front we have a 4-inch display. We have the 1.2 megapixel front-facing camera. We have your headphones. We have a home button which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Then on the left-hand side we have the silence switch, which I love so much about Apple devices. Then we have the volume rockers, which is very tactile. On the right-hand side we have only the SIM card tray. On the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is missing in almost all flagships right now. Then we have the microphone and 1 speaker. Now, more recent Apple devices come with stereo speaker, but this comes with just a single speaker. Then on the back we have the 12 megapixel camera and a dual tone flash and a recording mic. So what do I have to say about this device? Hand feels great, quite portable, nice handling, and okay, we have the power button at the top here. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to put this thing on, so we'll see how it stacks up against the newer flagship devices, how fast it is, and what. Now we are back. Now this is the home screen of the iPhone 5C. As you could see, it's really small when compared to the iPhone X, which is supposed to be a small device by today's standard. But what we are here to look at is how fast it can stack up against the iPhone X, which has a faster processor. The iPhone X comes with the A11, while the iPhone SE comes with the A9. But let's open some apps and see how they stack up against each other. Go. Okay, that was like about equal there. Let's go there. Funny enough, this one rendered faster, and they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, let's try one more app, messaging app. Okay, as you can see, this pretty stacks up well against the iPhone X when it comes to speed, but I would say probably it's because this is filled with so much more apps than this. But at the end of the day, what we are concluding is that even for today's standard, this is a pretty fast device with 2 gigs of RAM, can run almost all your apps, and is still supported by the Apple ecosystem, because presently it's running iOS 12.2 and hopefully it will get iOS 13. So if you want a good portable smartphone with great quality specs and can run your most recent apps and most recent operating system, I think this is a go-to phone. As you can see, I could easily manipulate from up everywhere around the screen. My hand can reach it. I think this is a phone that everybody needs to try to understand how cool and wonderful this phone is. So that's what I have to say for now. Keep watching, stay tuned. Like I said, keep liking, keep sharing, keep loving the channel, and I'll see you next time.